Now we will introduce the index notation, and the goal is to have an efficient and a well-defined language for writing equations. Let's assume that we have an equation system, which we here write in a matrix form, where we have the three unknowns, the x on the right hand side here. We have 9 different a's collected in a matrix form, and known values of b1, b2 and b3. And this is a representation of an equation where we want to solve for x1, x2 and x3. This can also be written by using summation, and as we see here, so we have bi, where index I takes the value 1, 2 and 3, so we have 3 equations, and that for each I it's equal to the sum over j of aij times xj. If we now introduce the Einstein's summation convention, which means that if an index occurs twice, that implicitly means that there is a summation symbol. So we can write bi, the same as we had above here, is equal to aijxj. You see here that j occurs twice, so therefore it means that there is a summation symbol. And in this expression, we can distinguish, or we can define the two different types of indices that we have. We know that it's actually 3 equations, because I is 1, 2 and 3. I is referred to or defined as a free index. J here is a summation or a dummy index because it occurs twice. If we now look at some examples, if we write AI, what does that mean? Well, the index I occurs only once, so it's a free index. So what we mean by writing AI is that we mean A1, A2 and A3. Next example, if we write AI, we can see in this case that I is occurring twice, so it's with Einstein's summation convention. It means that the result is A11 plus A22 plus A33. A similar example, if we have AI times BI, so what does this mean? Well, also here I occurs twice, so it means A1 times B1 plus A2 times B2 plus A3 B3. If we have an expression like this, Aijk Bk, what does this mean? Well, here we have 3 indices on A and 1 on B. We can see that I and J are free indices, they occur once. K is occurring twice, so it's a summation index. So this means that I and J must be as it is, while K is used as a summation index. So here we have B1 and then Ij2 B2 plus Ij3 B3, and this should be for I and J being 1, 2 and 3, so there are actually 9 different results.